Students, in this video we learn about and discussing the concept of factor group or quotient group. Let G be a group and H be a normal subgroup of G. As H is a normal subgroup, then there is no distinction between the right quotient and left quotients, because by the definition of normal subgroup, the every left quotient of H in G is equal to right quotient of H in G. Okay. Therefore, we simply say that is HA is a quotient of H in G. Let the set of all quotients of H in G be denoted by the set G by H. Therefore, the set G by H can be defined as set of all HA such that where A belongs to G. Next, we shall define a binary operation in the set G by H by HA into HB is equal to HA into B for all HA, HB belong to the set G by H. Okay, clearly HAB is also a quotient of H in G, for H is a normal subgroup of G. If and only if the product of two quotients is again a quotient of H in G. Thus, G by H is a closed under binary operation or binary composition of quotient of H. Okay. Next, on this aspect, we define a factor group, that is the group of G by H of all quotients of a normal subgroup of H in G together with binary composition or binary operation with binary composition defined by HA into HB is equal to HAB for all HA, HB belong to G is called factor group of G with respect to H or quotient group of G with respect to H. Okay, based on this definition, next we note some important points. That is, the first point is the factor group G by H of an abelian group G with respect to a subgroup H is itself an abelian group. Second point, if this group operation in G is an additive notation, then the quotient of H or of the form H plus A is equal to set of all H plus A such that H belong to H. Also, if H plus A and H plus B are any two elements of G by H, then their composition in G by H is denoted by plus and is defined by HA plus HB is equal to H of A plus B. Further, the identity elements of the factor group G by H is H, and the inverse of H plus A is H plus of minus A. Okay. Next, let us discuss one important theorem, that is the set G by H of all coset of a normal subgroup H of a group G is a right is a group under the binary operation defined by HA into HB is equal to HAB. For all HA, HB belong to H. Its proof means in this theorem we have to show that the set G by H of all cosets of normal subgroup H of a group G is a group under binary operation, means the set G by H having a some properties of group, that is first we have to show that the set G by H is so it satisfies associate property, and second one identity property, and the third one shows inverse property. First we have to show associate property. Here let the HA and HB belong to the given set G by H be arbitrary elements. Now consider HA of HB into HC is equal to HA into HBC, that is equal to HA into BC, that is H into HAB of C, that is equal to HAB into HC. Or on simplification we have HA into HB of HC, means the binary composition is associative. Next we have to show its identity property. Here corresponding to the identity element E of G, that is for E belong to G, then HE is equal to H, where H belongs to the given set G by H. Now HA means the right coset HA into H is equal to HA into HE, that is equal to HAE, where E is an identity, so that is equal to HA. Similarly, H into the right coset HA is equal to HE into HA, that is equal to HE into A. Since E is an identity, so HA. So therefore, H is the identity element in G by H. Okay. Next, we have to show that inverse property. Inverse property. Here, let A belong to G. Then HA and HA inverse are the elements of the given set G by H. Now consider HA into HA inverse is equal to HAA inverse, that is equal to HE, where E means an identity, that is equal to H equal to HA. Similarly, HA inverse into HA is equal to H. Therefore, the inverse of HA is HA inverse. Okay. Hence, the given set G by H is a group under binary operation defined. Okay. Next, let us see another theorem, that is if H is a normal subgroup of finite order, then order of G by H is equal to order of G by order of H. Its proof is, see, by definition. Okay, by definition means By definition, order of G by H is equal to inverse of distinct cosets in sorry. By definition,